Alright, what we have here is an old 1979 Mark Master 3-speed. Now, I'm probably going to turn this into a log pulling tractor in the summertime. Because, yeah, I got my rally over there. I used to pull logs with that. But since it's a racer now, you can't do all that. But, let's check it out. Got what is probably the original 11-horse Briggs Stratton. And when I bought it, it came with a milk cap for the gas tank. I'm gonna get that replaced. I don't know if the lights work. I don't even know if they're hooked up. I bought this tractor for my buddy for about 30-35 bucks. I gotta get a battery for it, not to mention redo all the wiring. The tires, they're probably original. Might have to get some new ones, or just use these ones until they go bad, most likely. I'm not even sure if this is an MTD. I thought it was just a Mark Master. But yeah, that's going to be summer's project. So I'll do updates on that. Check back. Thanks for watching.